The first time I stepped onto my friend Clara's apartment balcony, I stopped in the doorway. The space was tiny, barely big enough for 2 chairs, but something about it felt different. It felt like a room, not a concrete slab with a railing, a room. She had turned that small urban space into a private garden retreat, and every detail looked like it belonged in a magazine. There was a vertical element that drew the eye upward, a water feature that softened the city noise, a clever screen that blocked the neighboring building and made the whole balcony feel secluded. She had used paint to transform a plain concrete wall into something modern. Cinder block planters held herbs and flowers. Soft light glowed from fixtures she had made herself, and the warm flicker of firelight made the whole space feel cozy. Every single project was easy on her budget. She told me the whole thing cost less than $100. I did not believe her until she walked me through each one. And as I stood there taking it all in, I realized the difference between a patio you ignore and a patio you live on has nothing to do with money. It has everything to do with a few simple ideas that anyone can do. That is exactly what we share here on Timeless Gardening. And today we are walking through 12 small patio garden ideas that look expensive but are so easy to DIY. Hit the subscribe button if that sounds like something you need, because this channel is built for people who believe creativity beats a credit card every single time. Now let us turn your patio into the best room of your home. Idea number 1. The vertical pallet garden. If you have a small patio or balcony, your most valuable real estate is not the floor. It is the walls. A wooden pallet turned vertically creates a living wall that looks like a high-end garden installation. Find a clean, untreated pallet from a hardware store or behind a business. Make sure it has not been treated with chemicals. Look for the HT stamp, which means heat treated rather than chemically treated. Stand it upright and staple landscape fabric to the back and sides, creating a pocket that will hold soil. Fill the entire pallet with quality potting mix and plant into the slat openings. Herbs, succulents, strawberries, and small flowers all thrive in a pallet garden. Lean it against a sunny wall and water from the top. Within weeks, the entire structure becomes a lush vertical garden. This is one of those cheap DIY projects that transforms an empty wall into the focal point of your outdoor space. It looks expensive. It costs almost nothing. It is the definition of small space gardening done right. If you want to take it a step further, paint the pallet before planting. A dark charcoal or soft sage green makes the greenery pop even more. You can also add small hooks to the front of the pallet to hang tiny tools or decorative items, turning it into a functional piece of garden art as well as a planter. Idea number 2. The string light canopy. Nothing changes the atmosphere of a patio faster than overhead lighting. String lights create a ceiling where there is none, turning an open space into an outdoor room. Hang them in a crisscross pattern from hooks mounted on walls, fence posts, or a pergola. Use commercial-grade string lights with Edison bulbs for a warm, modern look. The light they cast is soft and flattering. It makes every evening feel like an occasion. This is an easy weekend project that costs very little but delivers the kind of ambience you would expect at a boutique hotel. For an urban balcony, run the lights from the railing to the wall above your door. For a patio, anchor them to posts or the eaves of your house. The transformation is immediate and dramatic. A tip from someone who has hung these in 3 different homes: buy 1 strand more than you think you need. The extra length gives you the drape that makes the canopy look full and intentional, rather than stretched tight. If you want to add even more charm, weave faux ivy or greenery through the light strands for a permanent enchanted garden feel that looks beautiful even during the day. Idea number 3. The painted concrete patio rug. A plain concrete patio floor is a blank canvas. With concrete paint and a stencil, you can create a patterned rug that looks like expensive encaustic tile. Clean the concrete thoroughly and let it dry completely before starting. Any dirt or moisture will prevent the paint from adhering properly. Choose a stencil pattern. Moroccan trellis, geometric diamonds, or a simple border design all work beautifully. Use exterior concrete paint in 2 contrasting colors. Tape the stencil in place and apply the paint with a foam roller. Work in sections until the entire rug area is complete. Seal it with a clear concrete sealer to protect your work from weather and foot traffic. This project takes a weekend and costs under $50. The result is a custom floor that looks like it cost thousands. It defines your seating area and adds the kind of elegant finished look that separates a designed space from a forgotten one. Even a small rug-size section makes a world of difference. If you make a mistake, do not panic. Concrete paint is forgiving. You can touch up edges with a small artist brush after the main painting is done. Idea number 4. The tiered planter stand. A collection of pots scattered on the ground looks random. The same pots displayed on a tiered stand look intentional and chic. You can use stacked wooden crates, an old ladder with planks across the rungs, or a purpose-built tiered planter stand from a garden center. The key is creating different heights, so the eye travels upward. Place your largest pots on the bottom tier, and smaller pots as you go up. Trailing plants like creeping jenny or ivy on the top shelves cascade downward, softening the structure. This is a simple DIY project that adds vertical interest to a small patio, without taking up more floor space. It is rustic, charming, and makes even the most modest plant collection look curated. If you are using an old ladder, sand it lightly and apply a coat of outdoor sealant to protect the wood through rain and sun. A weathered gray or whitewashed finish looks especially beautiful against green foliage. You can also rotate your pots seasonally, bringing blooming flowers to the most visible tiers, and moving spent plants to the back or bottom. Idea number 5. The DIY water feature. The sound of running water transforms a patio. It masks traffic noise, creates a sense of tranquility, and adds a sensory layer that plants alone cannot provide. A store-bought fountain can cost hundreds. A DIY version costs very little. You need a large ceramic bowl, a small recirculating pump, and a bag of river rocks. Place the pump in the bottom of the bowl, cover it with rocks, and fill the bowl with water. Plug the pump in, and the water bubbles up through the stones. That is the entire setup. Place this water feature near your seating area where you can hear it. The gentle sound is instantly calming. This is one of those projects that makes guests ask where you bought it. They will never guess you made it yourself for under $40. For an even more polished look, choose a glazed ceramic bowl in a color that complements your patio furniture. You can also add a few larger decorative stones on top of the river rocks for visual interest and to create small waterfalls within the bowl. Idea number 6. The privacy screen with outdoor curtains. A small patio or balcony can feel exposed, especially in an urban apartment setting where neighbors are close. Outdoor curtains solve this beautifully. Hang a tension rod or a coated wire between two posts, the wall and a fence, or across a balcony opening. Thread weather-resistant outdoor curtains onto the rod. When you want privacy, draw them closed. When you want open air, push them aside. The curtains create a soft, romantic enclosure that feels like a private room. Choose a light neutral color for an airy, elegant look. This is a simple project that changes how your patio feels and functions. It adds privacy, shade, and a touch of luxury all at once. Make sure the curtains are specifically labeled for outdoor use. Indoor curtains will mold and fade within weeks. For added drama, hang the curtains from rings with clips, which makes them easier to open and close, and gives a more tailored high-end appearance. Now let me pause and ask you something. Of these first 6 ideas, which one could you actually see yourself doing this weekend? Tell me in the comments. I am asking because the gap between watching a garden idea and actually building it is where most beautiful patios never happen. The comments section is where people share what they created, and those stories inspire everyone else to start. Idea number 7. The Bistro Table Makeover. A small metal bistro set is perfect for a compact patio or balcony, but the standard black or white version can look generic. A coat of spray paint transforms it into something special. Choose a bright color like turquoise or coral for a cheerful pop. Choose a metallic gold or copper for a chic modern look. Sand the surface lightly, apply a primer designed for metal, and spray with exterior-grade paint. Let it cure completely before using. The same set you have had for years suddenly looks like a designer piece. This is a cheap, easy DIY that takes an afternoon and completely changes the feel of your outdoor space. Add a small cushion and a tiny vase of flowers, and your morning coffee spot becomes the best seat in the house. The key to a long-lasting finish is patience between coats. Let each layer dry fully before applying the next. If your bistro set has intricate details, use a small craft brush for touch-ups in the crevices where spray paint might not reach evenly. Idea number 8. The outdoor rug defined zone. An outdoor rug is one of the simplest ways to make a patio look intentionally designed. It defines the seating area, adds color and pattern, and anchors the furniture so it does not feel like it is floating on concrete. Choose a rug made from recycled plastic or polypropylene. These materials are weather-resistant, easy to clean, and fade-resistant. A geometric pattern in neutral tones looks modern and expensive. A bold floral or Moroccan print adds personality. Roll it out under your bistro set or seating area. The space instantly feels pulled together. This is not a DIY in the traditional sense, but it is a design trick that professional landscapers use, and it costs very little for the impact it delivers. When choosing a size, go larger than you think you need. A rug that is too small makes the space feel cramped. All the legs of your furniture should fit on the rug comfortably. To keep the rug from shifting on windy days, use rug tape or place heavy potted plants on the corners. Idea number 9. The mason jar solar lanterns. Evening light makes a patio magical. Mason jars with solar lids are the easiest way to add that light for almost no money. You need clean mason jars and solar-powered jar lids, which are available at craft stores and online. Drop a few glass gems or small pebbles inside the jar for decoration. Screw on the solar lid. Hang the jars from shepherd's hooks, tree branches, or along a fence using wire or twine. During the day, the solar panel charges. At dusk, the jar glows automatically. The effect is like fireflies suspended in mid-air. Group several at different heights for the most impact. This is a simple, rustic, elegant project that costs a few dollars per lantern and transforms your patio into an evening retreat. For extra sparkle, use colored glass gems that catch and refract the light. You can also wrap the rim of each jar with a thin strip of copper wire or twine for a more finished, handmade look that ties them together as a set. Idea number 10. The herb wall and hanging pockets. A vertical herb garden is beautiful, functional and perfect for small spaces. Mount a fabric shoe organizer or a purpose-made pocket planter on a sunny wall or fence. Each pocket holds about a quart of soil, enough for a single herb plant. Basil, thyme, cilantro, chives, and mint all thrive in pockets. Water from the top and let gravity do the work. What was a blank wall becomes a lush, productive garden. This is an easy project that costs under $20 and produces fresh herbs for months. It is practical, pretty, and proves that you do not need a yard to grow your own food. Even a tiny urban balcony can support a thriving herb wall. Place the herbs you use most often in the easiest to reach pockets for quick harvesting while you cook. If you want to label your herbs, use small wooden tags or painted stones tucked into each pocket for a charming, organized look. Idea number 11. The DIY fire bowl table. A portable fire feature turns any evening into something memorable. You can buy a concrete fire bowl for $100 or more, or you can make one for under $30. Use a large ceramic or concrete bowl. Fill it with river rocks or lava stones. Place a gel fuel canister in the center. Surrounded by the rocks, light the fuel and enjoy a clean, smokeless flame that flickers for hours. Place the bowl on a sturdy outdoor table and gather chairs around it. The warm glow creates the same cozy atmosphere as a full fire pit, without the permanent installation. This is a chic, modern, easy project with dramatic evening appeal. It makes every dinner feel like an event. Always keep a small fire extinguisher or a bucket of sand nearby when using any open flame outdoors. For a more decorative touch, arrange the river rocks in layers of different colors, with the darkest stones at the bottom and lighter ones on top. Idea number 12. The potted olive or citrus tree. Nothing says Mediterranean elegance like a small tree in a beautiful pot. A dwarf olive tree, or a compact citrus like a Meyer lemon, thrives in a container and adds height, structure, and a sculptural quality to a patio or balcony. Choose a large, simple pot in a neutral tone. Terracotta, matte black, or soft gray all work beautifully. Place the tree in a sunny corner where it can be seen from your seating area. The silvery green leaves of an olive tree, or the glossy leaves and fragrant blossoms of a citrus tree, add a layer of luxury that feels like a vacation in Italy. This is an investment piece, but dwarf trees are surprisingly affordable at nurseries and online. A single statement tree in a pot transforms a small space into somewhere you want to linger. Water deeply but infrequently, and feed with a citrus-specific fertilizer during the growing season for the best results. If you live in a colder climate, choose a pot with wheels or a rolling stand, so you can move the tree indoors during winter months. There you have it, 12 ideas, and not one of them requires a second mortgage or a degree in landscape design. Clara's balcony taught me something that has stuck with me for years. The spaces we love the most are never the ones we spent the most money on. They are the ones where we looked at a blank wall, an empty corner, a concrete floor, and decided to make something happen. Your patio is waiting for that same decision. Pick one idea from this list. Just one. Do it this weekend. Then come back here and tell me what you built and how it changed the way your space feels. I read those comments, and so does everyone else who is looking for the courage to start. If you want more garden projects that treat your creativity as the real resource, subscribe to Timeless Gardening. Until next time, go make your small space something beautiful.